Well, g'day everyone, welcome back to Hibbo's Model Bench, episode 6 of the VW camper from Revell. So let's get the introduction done and get stuck into it. Alright, so this episode I'm looking at parts 25, 23, 24, 25, 26 of the instructions. So 23 is just putting in a small little shelving unit into the back of the bus. 24 is putting on curtains onto the windows on the inside of the bus, on the actual inside of the wall of the Kombi. And there are decals for that for both sides. So there's 12 decals there, and I've got to put another 3 other decals on for that part. 25 is just installing a cabinet, and 26 is putting on another, well, it looks like a window. So let's get over to the model bench and give it a go. Well, g'day all, welcome back. As mentioned in the introduction, I'm going to be doing parts 23, 24, 25 and 26 for this episode. So what I've already done, I've already masked up the actual body of the Kombi. As you can see, everything above there, above the masking, will be the secondary colour. So I have 2 colours that I've chosen, and that's the 2 doors. So the 2 colours I've chosen, the body of the Kombi is going to be Outlaw Paints Team X-Star Blue. I know it's a motorcycle team or racing team blue, but I think it'll look nice. It's a very metallic looking blue. I'm not sure, you probably can't see how metallic it looks, but yeah, extremely metallic looking blue, lovely. And for the upper parts along there, and also the front that comes down like that, I'm going to be using the Ferrari Rosso Angelo red, or Rosso being red, I think. Again, another very metallic colour. Not sure if you can see that, but yeah, so I'm going to give that a go probably before I go to bed. It's, what time is it now here? It's only 20 past 9. So I'll get that done and I'll come back. I'll just show you the blue. So I'm going to do the blue first, obviously. So I'll come back and show you that. I might actually even get the front. So you've got that part there. Oops, turn around that way so you can see it. So you can see it comes around. So that this here is all going to be red. The roof won't be. The roof I'll just do white. I might do red, don't know. Give me an idea if you want to see that, red or white. So I'll do this part here. I'll mask up that bit, which will be fun. And so mask all through in that, and then I'll get all that painted. I'll come back and show you. So as you can see in front of me, I have a lot of blue. This stuff is seriously the best paint, or one of the best paints. I still rate Mr. Hobby very highly for ease of use and ease of cleaning. But with Mr. Hobby or Tamiya, you have to mix. So you have to mix it. But with Outlaw, no mixing. So let's just have a look at how this masking comes off. Let's just see. Oh, you're fucking kidding me. Just broken it. That's alright, I'll be able to fix that. I just need a bit of Icky Sticky. Put that back together. But I'll do that off camera. So what's something that's not going to break? Probably something everywhere can break. do this one. Wow. That is freaking amazing. And have a look at that. Mind you, the masking was pretty good as well. Everyone knows, or everyone who's been here for a long time knows I love my masking. But if you have a close look at that, look at the colour. You can actually see the sparkle in that. That's sensational colour. So that's the Team X Star blue. So now I really want to get myself a motorbike to give this a go. So there we go. Yeah, look, I have reviewed Outlaw previously, and I did go off it a little bit. Not massively off it, just a tiny little bit off it. I don't know why. Maybe because I wasn't using it. I didn't like it when I did the V-dub, so I couldn't do the rust effect with the V-dub. So that's why I didn't like Outlaw with that. But with this, it's going to be a fairly new off the shop floor Kombi, back from the 1960s. This will have a better colour, even though it didn't come in a metallic blue. I can't get this bloody masking off, there we go. Even though it didn't come in the metallic blue at the time. Oh, there we go. Yeah, now that's a beautiful colour, Braden and Jason. This one off. This one. That's another door. So yeah, great stuff. Really, really good stuff. And so much masking tape on my my bench here that my dad made. I don't use my granddad's table anymore because I've got a bigger area, so I've got myself a trestle table. So anyway, what I'm going to do, I'm going to let this dry fully overnight. Then I'll come back tomorrow. Got to do a little bit more cleaning because I have another rent inspection, because when I was meant to have it, which was on the 14th of December, as people know, I came down with the China virus, and well, that's unreal. And the lovely property manager, lovely Scottish lady, she couldn't come around. So yeah, so I have to do another one, and I've been very lazy, well, with it being Christmas and having COVID, which I don't have anymore. Yeah, I haven't done a lot of cleaning. So what I'm going to do is put this away for tonight. I'm going to go at least chuck one sheet on my bed. I'm going to fix this first. So I'll go chuck one sheet on my bed and yeah, go to bed, and then come back in the morning and give this a really good go with the red. So everywhere that's not blue on all these pieces is going to be red. I've decided I'm going to do the red for the roof as well. So anyway, I'll talk to you all tomorrow morning. Alright, so I've just done an unmasking of these parts, but realised the microphone was off, so I swore. But that there is the Angelo Rosso and the blue, can't remember what the blue is, Team X Star Blue. The Angelo Rosso on the roof of the Kombi. It's actually, you can see there's glitter in there when you're looking at it close up. So metallic and inside. So this is going to look really, really good, I think, when it's done. Did one bad bit of painting or bad bit of masking. So I have to clean or paint that part red, and have to obviously fill in those areas, which I'm going to have to mask again, because at the moment I wouldn't try to brush paint Outlaw. And there's a big lump here which is glue that I'm going to try to scrape off a bit later on, because that broke again, that part there. But anyway, that's it. I'll gonna go mow the lawn now, so I'll come back shortly. Alright, so welcome back. I have done all the, need this part. So I have done all the body parts of the Kombi. I think they look bloody great. This red is amazing. Really, really good, and this blue, just as good. So, what I have to do is I have to put these curtains onto the inside. So I've done the inside, the brown colour like everything else is. So these curtains go like that. So like that. But they have to have decals. So it's 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. It's only 3 there. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Yep. So there's the decals that have to go on. So I have put a what do you call it? A prime on this. So I'm not going to worry about doing the clear coat, which might backfire on, but I don't know. I'll have to wait and see. So yeah, so I'll do the first one. But what I'll do, obviously, once I've done the decals, I'll put a clear coat over that. So there's your curtains. Give it a bit of a clean up. There we go. So it's 2 days before I go back to work. This is when I start getting a bit busy. Have to give the house a clean. Have to, I've mowed the lawns this morning. Give them a good water tonight. So yeah. So let's just get 1 and 2 out now. Let's get 1 out first. So down the middle. Straight across. Alrighty, so let me just soak this and I'll come back once I've done the first 2 curtains. Well, g'day, welcome back. As you can see, I've done all the interior on that side now, and I'm going to fix this resolution up for this video. It's too close and not clear enough. But I'll do that when I get back from work. And you can see on the back there's also curtains, and on the inside there's another cushion, and what I'd say would be a light or a power point or something. So that's that done. So I've also completed what I'd say would be this cupboard here. So a little bit of cleanup to do, but that then sits on the inside there. So I'll put that in and I'll come back and show you. And that'll be it for this video, because I do have to go back to work tomorrow. And that might be it for this year, or for this pre-surgery build. So I want to get that finished, this finished, before I even think about starting on the Curtis Wilbur. I know a few people are looking forward to that. Make sure you watch Pete's. Well, too late, you already watched it probably. Yeah, so I just probably have to do a little bit of a brush paint just in the join there. So let me just do this, glue this together. Or should I actually no, I'm going to do it this way. Because there's 2, 2, 1. I will start doing the Simon shoulder replacement videos again in the next couple of days. I'm getting closer. My nephew last night said to me, he goes, I seriously want to punch you. Because I keep on, it's a bit of a joke between me and him that yeah, I just keep on telling him about the fact that I'm getting a shoulder replacement. Oh yeah, didn't know that. But yeah, so now this, I believe, fit in there like that. Pretty sure where that goes there. And then I've also done, if I can find that bit, oh Jesus, also done what I believe would be shelving, which then fit into, nope, yeah, it goes in this one, I think. No, it doesn't go in that one. Oh no, this goes, sorry. This goes on the wall, on the inside there like that. So I've just got to glue that in. So I'll get all this done, and I'll finish part 25 once I put that in. Yeah, and I reckon that'll be it. So part 25, and we'll call it quits for this video. So just mark off part 24, and I'll mark off part 30. So you can see part 30 and part 24, or 23 and 24 I should say. So yeah, I'll come back once this is done. Alright, so there we go. Oops, this way, cupboards in. Let's do a bit of retouch just down here because I used the old Revell glue and it dribbled down. So, but that's in nice and tight now. Nice bit of, not nice bit, but a bit of cut touch up just on the corner of the hinges, and there's the shelving. If I had a 3D printer, I'd get some little cans or whatever, chuck in there, unless there's cans in the kit. Let's have a look. I don't think there are. No. Does not look like it. That's alright. So anyway, that's it for this this episode and this so far for a little while, this build. If you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel, and if you do like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Give me some tips or whatever in the comments down below. So yeah, hope you all have a great couple of weeks. I'll see you in 2 weeks.